Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sign out from your Duolingo app. For that you have to just go to your Duolingo app in your mobile. I'll just click on Duolingo app here and you can see your home screen appears. So basically Duolingo is a language training app. You can learn lots of languages without any costs. On the third you can share beside of this book sign, it is your profile. You have to go on that, and on the top right you can see your settings button. You have to click on that. It is giving our information share. As you can see here, there is a progress sharing option. On below of progress sharing there is a sign out option. You can just click on that, and yes, our account is logged out here. And if you guys like our video, then we'll come up with another video. You can just click on like and subscribe button for more interesting videos. We'll be there to help you. Thank you.